So a calorimeter is a device that is used to measure the output of heat in a reaction. So this can be used to measure combustible materials or chemical reactions between two different types of chemicals, or as I'm going to be using it, it can be used to measure the amount of energy that it takes to break down a food, which is really useful in finding the amount of calories in a substance. So to do this, what we would do is we have our big coffee can with its bottom cut out and a pop can with water in it, and then this is a thermometer that can read in Celsius. So we're going to measure the water beforehand, which is 18.5 Celsius, and then we are going to light the food. If it will light. Look up there. Alright. Alright, so now with it burning, we're going to move the can over it, and we're going to position the can with the water just so that it's over the little biscuit burning. And so then we're going to measure the heat as it burns, or measure the temperature. Now, temperature and heat are two different things because heat is the amount of energy that a object or chemical reaction or whatever is producing, whereas temperature is... It burnt out. It didn't work. Whereas temperature is the actual speed of what the molecules are traveling at. So this didn't quite work. Let's try this again. Okay, we're just gonna do this with a different biscuit, but we're gonna stand it up this time. Alright. Alright, so it's going to burn better because it's actually standing up this time instead of on its side. Alright, so now that it's going, we are now going to be continuing to track the water. It probably got a little bit off because we put it underneath it the first time, but that's okay. You're at least getting the idea. So we're going to track what the temperature is. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the delta T, which is the start temperature minus, or we're going to, yeah, the start temperature minus, no, delta T is delta, so the end temperature minus the start temperature, which is this. So this is just burning away, and then we're going to multiply this by the mass of the water, which is 100 grams or 100 milliliters. It's the same thing. And then we are going to multiply it by the heat capacity of the water, which is 4.184 joules per gram Celsius. And from that, we are then going to, oh, okay, so it's finished burning. It's at 22.6. So when you subtract those from each other, you get 4.1 Celsius. And so we're then going to multiply these numbers together. So we have 4.1 times 4.184 times 100, which is 1715. So 1715.44, which is joules, and then we're going to divide this by 2 because that is the mass of the biscuit. And we are going to get, I'll write it over here, I'll move this, 7.72 joules. So this is how scientists are able to find the caloric intake of food because they are able to find just how much energy it takes to break down a substance.